Stop, Phil, stop. The spectators over the ring beyond the green, please get side. The people, those who are standing near the boundary line, please get side. The match has been starting. Request each and every person to get moved behind the line. The opening bowler for Videsh, Oman. On the onside, and an uphill 2. So single on the board. The leg by call from the umpire.
So the very first ball, dot ball to start the proceedings.
Here comes on a strike, a captain, our Taka with face to the wall. It was nicely played on the onside for a single. With a perfect line and length by Dhawal Takrar. We'll talk about the Aman Suraya, the opener for Mumbai Maharashtra in the first match, the performance. Outside the off stump, nicely played for a single. Nicely bowled by Dhawal Takrar. A nicely filled set for a right-handed combination. The opening pair for Mumbai Maharashtra, Awad Thakkar and Aman Suraya. It's down the track, being able to connect with the bat. Awad Thakkar. You have to charge the ball hard. The intelligent bowling tool. See, the batsman was down the track, change the variation. Again, nicely played for a single. Good sensible bowling till now by a Videsh team. Dhawal Takrar, the perfect line and length. This time about to go, the big one. Been able to manage to connect with the bat. So well, it's an end of the first over. 1 over 4 runs without any fall of wicket. Mumbai Maharashtra, after winning a toss, selected for bat first.
તો પહેલા ઓવરની સમાપ્તિ પછી ટીમ મુંબઈ સહ મહારાષ્ટ્રએ ટોસ જીતીને પહેલા બેટિંગનો નિર્ણય લીધો અને પહેલા ઓવરની સમાપ્તિ પછી સ્કોર છે 4 રન. અમન અને અવધની ઓપનિંગ જોડી મુંબઈ માટે વચ્ચે મેદાન પર અને બીજી ઓવર લઈને આવશે ટીમ વિદેશ માટે. ટીમ અવધનો એક એક્સ્ટ્રા પ્લેયર જો પ્લીઝ હોય તો પ્લીઝ સ્કોરર પાસે આવી જશો. ઓવરની પહેલી બોલ હલકા હાથોથી રમીને દોડી પડ્યા હતા રન માટે. મિડ ઓફ પર જ્યાં સુધી ફિલ્ડ થાય 1 રન સાથે સ્કોર આગળ વધતો ટીમ મુંબઈનો. ઓવરમાં ફરી એકવાર શોર્ટ પિચ બોલ હતી અને આગળ વધીને રમ્યા હતા કવર્સના એક્સ્ટ્રા કવર પર 1 રન માટે. હલો 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 ફરી એકવાર હલકાતોથી રમીને મિડ ઓનના રિજનમાં તો ધીરે ધીરે સ્કોરબોર્ડ પર હવે સ્કોર આગળ વધતો ટીમ મુંબઈનો સિંગલ્સ ડબલ સાથે સ્ટ્રાઇકર રોટેટ કરવી પડશે ને એક પાર સ્કોર સેટ કરવો પડશે કેમ કે સામે છે વિદેશ विभाग. कांटे की टक्कर जिसे हम कहते हैं वो मस्त मजानी मैच चाली रही है मुंबई वर्सेस विदेश. और में फरी एक बार आउटसाइड एज ने बीट करतु खूब ज सरस एवं कमबैक प्रेशर बनावी रह्या छे अहींया बॉलर पर.
A very good line and length from the bowler, allowing batsman to go for a drive. This time, smash it on the onside. There's a field over there. Little bit of fumble. Come back for a second. What a running between the wicket from Aman. The young guns for in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Absolutely perfect running. Once he saw the fielder had a little bit of fumble and a ball has been missed by the fielder. They start running for a second. The high side combination from Captain Cool as well as Aman, our attacker. Come back for a second and a complete 2 run on the board. This time, what a fabulous bowling on an off on the field, the bowler. So well, end of the second over.
2 ઓવરની સમાપ્તિ પછી ટીમમાં મુંબઈનો સ્કોર છે 9 રન.
2 was 9 without a wicket. So very well. Here comes a variation for our Videsh team. Ajay Lalcheda, the captain of the team, taking a charge with the ball. And here comes the team sponsor, Jitu Bhai Tanna. Warm welcome. Narendra Ganatra and Jitu Bhai Tanna, the team sponsor for the Oman team, a well-known personality. This guy always encourages the team when they are batting as well as the bowling. So Ajay Lalcheta. On the onside, missed the line of the ball. It's a wide call from the umpire. So single as well as the run. So couple of runs on the board. Score is on 11 now. Nicely, sensibly played on the offside for a single. Aman Suraya.
And the score moving on to 12. So good start here by the Videsh Vibhag. This time driven. There's a shy the strikers end, but the batsmen are well safe in the crease. But now the Mumbai batsmen need to capitalize the runs and will have to keep in attention that the wickets do not fall, and they have to score a par score. This time dancing down the track, but very well fielded by the mid-off fielder, restricting the batsman to only a single, and the score moving on to 14. This is a third over in progress. Once again shuffling and driven towards the extra cover region. Will have to be intent with a single. Good fielding by Team Videsh Vibhag. Not giving any rooms to the batsmen. Both the batsmen trying. Once again beating the batsman and very beautifully bowled. That's the first wicket for Team Videsh Vibhag.
Absolutely perfect line length by the captain Ajay Lalcheta. He saw the batsman down the track. The ball changed the turn as well as the pace, and the rest of the work have been completed by the keeper, spreading the timbers all the way to first blow for Mumbai Maharashtra right over here. Aman Suraya is the man departs. Aman Suraya nicely played for the side, but finally departs. You have to play very sensible to the left-handed bowler Ajay Lalcheta. He's having a lot of variation with this spell. So well, here comes a new batsman, Harmesh Somaiya, a left-hander batsman, Harmesh Somaiya.
તો ક્યાંક હવે રન્સ બનાવવા પડશે મુંબઈના ટીમે, કેમ કે અત્યાર સુધી કોઈ રૂમ નહોતો, એવું પ્રેશર બિલ્ડઅપ કર્યું હતું અને એના ચાલતા એક વિકેટનું પતન થયું છે ટીમ મુંબઈનું. 15 રન 1 વિકેટના નુકસાને. ખૂબ જ સરસ એવી બોલિંગનું પ્રદર્શન કરી રહી છે ટીમ વિદેશ વિભાગ. રૂમ નથી દઈ રહ્યા બેટ્સમેનને અને એના ચાલતા એક વિકેટનું પતન થયું હતું.
Harmesh Somaiya playing for Railway. Nicely played on the onside by Harmesh Somaiya for a single. A sensible batting, Harmesh Somaiya. So well, finally the end of the third over. 16. Score on 16. A good sensible start for Mumbai Maharashtra. Over Thakkar on a strike, the well set batsman for present at the moment. So electrified game. The spectator definitely enjoying the movement. The Sunday fever for Sri Lohana Samaj Navi Mumbai Cricket Tournament 2020. Definitely the spectators are waiting for the result. Both the team are much balanced. Here comes the new bowler for Videsh team Oman, Vijay Lalcheta. So 8 over limited over games right over here. End of the third over, score is on 16. The fall of wicket. Harmesh Somaiya was the man, departs on to charge the ball, didn't able to connect with the bat, and work have been completed by the keeper Amit. Nicely played on a back foot on the toe by Harmesh Somaiya. Want to come back for a second? It will be a disappointment call. Captain Cool. The outside combination was not there. The throw was so perfect. Yes, no, and finally Captain Cool, our attacker, back to the pavilion. Harmesh Somaya was much quicker on the crease. What a throw was that to the perfect, to the glove of a keeper. So another blow for Mumbai Maharashtra right over here. Your single on the board will definitely there. A score is on 17.
અને ક્યાંક હવે બેકફૂટ પર નજર આવી રહી છે ટીમ મુંબઈ. ખૂબ જ કોલ આપી દીધો હતો. બેટ્સમેનનું જો કમ્યુનિકેશન પ્રોપર હોત તો બીજો રન પણ મળી જાત. નેવરધેલેસ એક રન અને બીજો રન લેવાની લાલચમાં બીજું વિકેટનું પતન થયું છે ટીમ મુંબઈનું. 17 રન 2 વિકેટના નુકસાને અને હવે નવા બેટ્સમેન આવ્યા છે ટીમ મુંબઈ માટે. નવા બેટ્સમેન છે સુજય ઠક્કર અને અહીંયા સ્વીપ કરી દીધું છે ડીપ સ્ક્વેર રિજનની તરફ 1 રન માટે. સ્કોર વધતો ટીમ મુંબઈનો 18 રન 2 વિકેટના નુકસાને. તો ક્યાંક હવે રણનીતિ છે ટીમ વિદેશ વિભાગની કે ઓછામાં ઓછા રન સુધી રેસ્ટ્રિક્ટ કરીને એક ઇઝી ટાર્ગેટ લેવામાં આવે. પણ બીજી બાજુ હવે પ્રયત્ન હશે ટીમ મુંબઈનો કે 2 વિકેટ ઓલરેડી પડી ચૂકી છે. એક સેટ બંને જે બેટ્સમેનનો પ્રયત્ન હશે સેટ થઈને એક મોટો ટાર્ગેટ સેટ કરવામાં આવે. અત્યાર સુધીનો સ્કોર ટીમ મુંબઈનો 18 રન 2 વિકેટના નુકસાને. ચોથી ઓવર ચાલી રહી છે અને હવે સ્ટ્રાઇક પર પહેલી વાર હશે સુજય. નોન સ્ટ્રાઇકર એન્ડ પર ઉભા છે હર્નેશ સુમૈયા. બેકફૂટ પર જઈને પંચ કરી દીધું છે ડીપ સ્ક્વેર લેગ બાઉન્ડ્રીની તરફ 4 રન માટે.
What a shot was that of Crackling, who shot the short ball and taking the complete advantage all the way. No chance for fielder to stop that ball. A ball reaches towards the boundary for 4 runs. What a hammering shot was that for our young gun for Mumbai Maharashtra, playing first time of this tournament. Sujay Thakkar belongs to Nasik, playing for Mumbai Maharashtra right here. A short ball from Vijay Lalchet and taking and zoom. Swing the bat all the way for 4 runs. This is what well known about the team Mumbai Maharashtra. Once we got a slower, looser delivery, the result have to pay. Outside the off stamp.
સ્વિચ હિટ મારવાનો પ્રયત્ન કર્યો હતો. પૂરી રીતે ત્યાં બીટ થઈ ગયા હતા. શોટ રમીને કોન્ફિડન્સ જરૂર વધ્યો હશે જેમણે બેકફૂટ પર જઈને પંચ કરી દીધો હતો ડીપ સ્ક્વેર બાઉન્ડરી લાઇનની બહાર.
Yeah, he's waiting for gaps to be very honest. He shot there is an 3 fielder inside the ring, so you want to play around the claw for the first ring for clear the this time once again smash it on the onside. Again there's a field over there. Very good fielding. In comes the throws to the glove and a single on the board. Score reach on 23. 4th over in progress. Nicely geometrical field set for a left-handed batsman Harmesh Somaya. On the onside, long chase for a fielder. Ball might be. Come back for a second. Harmesh Somaya is much quicker. And the finger goes up. A disappointment call from Harmesh Somaya. It's a wide call from the umpire. Comes the new man, Snehal Vitlani. Harmesh Somaya want to go back for a second. Here comes once again Vijay Lalchita. Here comes the new batsman Snehal Vitlani. Will face to it. This is the strike on the run. Long chase for a fielder. Nicely fielded as well as throw straight for a glove for a single. So end of the fourth over. Score is on 26. The fall of 3 wickets. Yeah.
Check. The first qualifier going on here, Nishant. What would you like to say on that?
Yes, winner of this game goes on to play the semi-finals directly. And for the first time in the history of this tournament, we see Mumbai Maharashtra in a bit of trouble here.
Do you actually think it's a trouble? I think this is where their nerves should be right on the money and right on the target.
Yes, we've seen that Mumbai, what they can do. They're very good at doing one particular thing, and that is pulling themselves out of any kind of situation.
Darshan Thakkar coming with the next over. And Snehal Vitlani on strike.
Appeal for a leg before, turned down by the umpire. Leg by signaled, going down the leg side is what I believe.
But the strategy of Videsh Vibhago here is very commendable. They are doing a very good job by restricting Mumbai to go for a very good start. What do you think about it, Nishant?
Is they're already halfway through. They would want to give them a target of at least 70. But at this point in time, they look well beneath that.
Of course, I would also like to agree with you on that. But let's see how the other half of the game spares.
Sujay Thakkar, the man on strike right now, batting on 5 of 3. Full toss, slog sweep.
And the first 6 of this match. What a shot, slog sweep for a 6. This is what Mumbai has been waiting for. And this is where I think the momentum will go only in the positive direction for Mumbai. What do you think about it, Nishan?
Yes, so very important to stay positive in a short contest like this. 8 overs aside. The next match is between Gujarat and Kutch. I'd like to request both the teams, the captains of both the teams, to report near the scorers. Satish Bhai Vitlani has announced rupees 1000 for every 6 hit. And 500 for a boundary. Only for Mumbai team. Another slog sweep.
And this strategy actually working in the favor. You see, the last ball we announced that every 6 gets 1,000 rupees and every boundary gets a 500. And we already see 2 sixes over here by the Mumbai batsmen. Are they back on track now?
So yes, Mumbai getting a move on with those couple of sixes there. Sujay Thakkar batting on 17 of just 5 deliveries now. Strike rate of 340, that's more like it. Darshan deciding to come round the wicket. Flat, full. Driven for a single. Narubhai Ganatra has announced 1,000 rupees for every wicket taken by the Videsh Vibhag team. I'd like to confirm with Narubhai. Narubhai. Does it include the 2 wickets that have gone? From now. So from now on, for every wicket, 1,000 rupees.
So clash of sponsors it seems over here, Nishant. Even
full toss, hammered away. Straight to the fielder, they're pushing for the second. Slight fumble there, allowing the second run to be taken. Such smartness shown by the Mumbai batsmen there. Little bit of lapse in concentration from the fielder, and they pounced on the extra opportunity.
So back to the point that I was pondering on, Nishant. This is like a clash of sponsors, you know. Only in Olympic cricket tournament that you get to see players who are not playing the game also playing the game by this method.
Yes, so 5 overs have been bowled, 44 for the loss of 2 wickets. The score right now. 3 wickets, beg your pardon.
So at the end of 5 overs, the score is 44 for the loss of 3 wickets. This session goes even for both the teams, Nishan. What would you like to say about it?
Yes, with that over which produced 17 runs, the balance has tilted slightly towards Mumbai. Can they produce another big over?
So this is where other teams need to learn from Mumbai. You know, no matter how bad the start was, they banged on their talent and they're right on the money, right?
Absolutely, and Vishwas Bhojani is the new bowler. So in fact, slight change in the rewards announcement. The 2 wickets, 3 wickets have fallen. 1 was a run out. 2 run outs and 1 wicket. So that wicket that was picked up also gets 1,000 rupees. So Ajay Lal Cheta has already won 1,000 rupees for himself. Full toss, paddled away. That's the scoop. That's what 2020 cricket does to you, isn't it, Vineet?
Absolutely. You know, every other day you see a shot actually invented by someone or a shot actually adopted by someone. This is more of an adopted shot. I just saw Dilshan, a hybrid of Dilshan and AB de Villiers on the crease now.
Yes, what was interesting was that it was a full toss and he still adjusted well there, Sujay Thakkar, to get the boundary and 500 rupees for himself.
Yes, absolutely. And Hemant uncle is actually pondering and telling me that was a Dil scoop.
And now
attempted a reverse sweep this time. Not on target. Couldn't connect it. Has to be satisfied with only 1 run. That also comes with a leg bye.
Oh, lovely shot there, down the ground. Didn't connect it well though, but gets a boundary nonetheless.
Safest place to hit over here. Straight down the head of the bowler for a very good shot. That's a 4. Snehal Vitlani is joining the party here. 50 up for Mumbai. See how good they are in changing the expectations, Nishant. You know, we were already thinking that they are actually not in good shape, but this story doesn't tell us the same.
Yes, absolutely. 53 the score now. And he goes over the offside this time. And that has gone the distance.
On top of the point fielder, it goes for a wonderful 6. And Snehal Vitlani actually taking the charge over here, joining the Mumbai party. I can see the dugout of Mumbai very happy at this time. They're back on track, they're back on money. Vishwas has to do something now. Call for an LBW over here by Vishwas. Umpire denying it. Probably going down the leg. And still feeds him a single. And the score, the tally of Mumbai's score moves down to 60 runs with a loss of 3 wickets. Way ahead, you know, that was very much outside of the off stump. He wanted to still paddle sweep it to the leg side. Not on target, and that's a dot ball to end. At the end of 6 overs, the tally of Mumbai's score is 60 for the loss of 3 wickets. So the experience, Ajay Lal Cheta back on the attack. And he shows his class over here. Castle the stumps of Snehal Vitlani. He knows where to bowl. You know, the precision of his is tremendously good. Nishant, what a precision by Ajay Lal Cheta over here. He knows where exactly to pitch his ball.
Yes, it's an absolute privilege to have Ajay Lal Cheta playing amongst us. Let me tell you that he is the only ICC cricketer to be playing in the LMB tournament. It's an absolute privilege to have him amongst us. Shares so much of his wisdom, his experience, and such a wonderful human being he is. Always ready to discuss cricket with the youngsters, encourage them to do well in their trade, leading from the front, yet very down to earth.
Absolutely, Nishant, and I would like to tell you my side of the story. I see it like he is among the 3 Luhana players who plays for the ICC. So if you see it like that, I'll just say that you can take out an LMP personnel out of ICC, but you'll not be able to take out LMP out of an ICC.
Yes, absolutely. Cheteshwar Pujara, Jaydev Unnerkat and Ajay Lal Cheta.
And many more to come.
That's the plan.
And second Castle, as I told you, he knows where to pitch. Right on the money, Ajay Lal Cheta shows his class again.
Ashish.
He knows how to get it back for the team. He's just talking to the stumps, nobody else. And over here, another announcement. So Ajay, this is more of an announcement for you from Jitu Bhai Tanna and Ajay Bhai Ganatra, that Narendra Bhai Ganatra, I beg your pardon, that if you are going to take this hat trick, another 1,000 rupees adds to your bank account. 5,000 rupees adds to your bank account. कौन से बैट्समैन ऑन स्ट्राइक कौन से हाँ हाँ नेहल पूर्ण नाम नहीं खाली सर्विसिंग एडिशनल कौन छे कौन बैट्समैन निकुंज नहीं है निकुंज नहीं
Okay. So for the second time in this tournament, Ajay Lal Cheta is on a hat trick.
And on strike is Nikunj Vitlani.
And for the second time, he misses it, Ajay Lal Cheta.
Doesn't matter actually. Do you even think that these bowlers would have to, like, in a mind to take a hat trick? I think the next plan for him was to not to give runs.
Absolutely, he's an absolute team man. Very nicely bowled again, just a single.
4 balls and just 1 runs with 2 wickets. Amazing job here by Ajay Lal Cheta. What do you like to speak on that, Nishant? Any thoughts?
He is once again proven to be the exceptional bowler of the tournament. So 3 wickets for just 8 runs so far today.
Amazing and tremendous feat to achieve. Mark, we are playing just an 8-over game over here.
Sujay back on strike. Looks to cut, misses. That is a dot ball.
Yet another dot ball, as like Nishant. This is what I was talking about. This is what sets him apart from every other bowler in this tournament. He knows exactly what is going on inside the batsman's head and keeps it short and simple. Right on the money. And amazing, another captain over here. Peach of a delivery, peach of a delivery. The batsman squared on. What a ball, Ajay Lal Cheta. Take a bow, my dear friend.
Here is a dream delivery for a left-arm orthodox bowler, bowling from round wicket to the right-hander, pitching around middle and leg, turning away, beating the batsman all ends up, getting the stumps.
If somebody next time asks me for Sonify class, I'll show the video of Ajay Lal Cheta taking this wicket. This was such beautiful class of left arm spin bowling.
Just the 1 run in this over, 3 wickets to add to that. So final over of the innings coming up then.
Just 1 run in the penultimate over with 3 castles by Ajay Lal Cheta. Speaks volume of his caliber.
I would request the captains of Gujarat and Kutch to be ready for the toss. I'll invite you as soon as the over ends. So Lal Cheta finishes with figures of 2 overs, 4 for 8.
The next batsman to bat is Snail Kotak. And at the end of 7 overs, the score is 61. Loss? Wicket? For the loss of 6 wickets. वो बोल दिया ऑलरेडी. हाँ धवल खाकर ना, खाकर ध्रुव ठकरार, धवल ठकरार, धवल ठकरार के ध्रुव ठकरार.
लिखा था पहले तो.
माइक बंद કરીને બોલ, YouTube ઉપર લાઈવ આવશે.
ठीक है ना.
The next bowler to bowl is Dhaval.
अच्छे आईपी लिस्ट
भाई
अच्छे लिस्ट आईपी ये टॉस में जास्त भाई.
कैप्टन कौन है?
सुनो इसके बारे में वन यू मुझे लाइक चाहिए. If you'll permit me, then only. Because I have good questions for him. Like, what goes on inside his head? That is what I want to know. Because
first
like
do the
that
toss.
is what people.
Come on,
Yeah.
boy.
You do the toss, or just you. When you'll call right, I'll catch him and I'll do it. We do we have two remote mics or not? Starts off the last over with a fumble. Gives 2 runs to the tally of Mumbai. The score has moved down to 63.
मैं टॉस की तैयारी करता हूँ.
Swing and a miss. No runs from the second ball. Up tidy bowling by Dhaval over here. Nikunj on strike.
Photographer, please come towards the mic. This time inside Nick, a long chase for a fielder. Come back for a second. What a running between the wicket. Absolutely perfect.
Throw on the wrong end. Lemon cut after ages, Nishant. Did you see that lemon cut? Allows the batsmen to take 2 runs. That score tally moves down to 65. The batsman slightly not happy with the way he used the ball. Dhaval bringing his 4th delivery of this over.
And that's a
And that's
catch.
what. That was a catch. Let us see how much this will fetch the Mumbai batsmen. Another 2 runs. Vishwas missing it.
These are the 2 important runs for Team Mumbai. And the score is 67.
So we got a new name for a shot over here by our veteran. He wanted that cut to be called as moustache cut. Again another swing, and that's a 4.
That was a rocket shot, no chance, and the ball crosses over for the deep.
Ajay Lal Cheta running towards Vishwas. He probably wants.
Mix.
To be very honest, the shot was so hammering. The finger gets warm once you get a ball in towards the nip of the finger. Ball definitely reached towards the boundary after touching the ball. So crackling might be that shot. You have to imagine that's about the shot by playing with Lani. Score reach on 71. The final over in progress.
Balls to go. And score is 71. Just 1 ball to go. The score tally of Mumbai is 71 runs. Still a good total, Nishan. What would you like to say on that?
Yes, I think Mumbai will be relatively happy with this total, considering the start that they got. And the captain did mention that he's very confident about his bowling attack. He's confident about defending anything. Last ball of the innings.
And that's out. That was a trap. He called down the long off to mid off. Just wanted the batsman to concentrate on the mid off level and gets a wicket. And also 1,000 rupees.
So yes, a wicket to end the innings. The target is 72 runs. 71 is the final score for Team Mumbai. They will be happy with the score. And what an experience and what an display of fielding and bowling by the team Videsh. 72 રન નો લક્ષ્ય છે 8 ઓવરમાં ટીમ વિદેશ માટે.
Ajay bhai, can you please come over here for a quick chat? Why not utilize this time to actually send a message through you? So, mighty bowling by you, like commendable job, tremendously like bowled. So, what goes on inside your head when you are actually bowling and seeing that the batsmen are swinging so comfortably? What actually goes on inside your head?
Nothing. I was just thinking to bowl with my experience, tight lines, the ball a little bit, and I got lucky that I got trapped them. But still, this is the first inning has finished, and we are looking on the target now.
Absolutely is. And again, an important thing that I think that something that we all youngsters can do is learn from your experience. So what message would you like to give all the youngsters who are playing this tournament?
Stick to your basics, guys. Only thing you have, if you are a bowler, you know where you should bowl, especially when to the field. Try to bowl with the stumps. This is the key of the success.
Thank you Ajay Lal Cheta, and all the best for the chase.
So yes, there are the kind words said by Ajay bhai. Stay to your basics and stick to your line and length, and the result will be yours. 72 રન બનાવવાના છે વિદેશને. એક ટાઈમ એમ લાગતું હતું કે મુંબઈ 50 થી 60 રને બનાવી શકશે કે નહીં, પણ ક્યાંક ને ક્યાંક પાર સ્કોર ઓફ 71. મુંબઈના પોતાની બોલિંગ અટેક પર ખૂબ જ સારી રીતે ભરોસો છે, અને કેમ ન હોય, એગ્રેસિવ બોલર્સ છે અને ખૂબ જ એવી સરસ એવી ફિલ્ડિંગનું પ્રદર્શન કરવું પડશે જો આ મેચને જીતવું હોય. અને બીજી બાજુ ટીમ વિદેશ ના બેટ્સમેનનો પ્રયત્ન છે કે ઇઝીલી આ મેચને જીતી જાય. But nevertheless, the cricket is a game of uncertainties. Anything can happen at any moment of the time.
Right, and it's time for the toss. Once again, the toss for the match between Gujarat and Kutch. Can I please request the two captains, Harsh and Dhruv, to join me for the toss? I'd also like to request main sponsor, Shri Hemant Bhai Kathrani, to come and join us for the toss. He will be flipping the coin. I'd request the dignitaries of Lohana Mahaparishad to please join us for the toss. Prakash Bhai, Piyush Bhai and the others. I'd once again request Praveen Bhai to join us for the toss. So all in readiness for the toss. Two captains, Dhruv and Harsh. Who is going to call? Dhruv will call. Sir, to spin the coin. Heads is the call from Dhruv. It's a head. Well, Dhruv, congratulations. Won the toss. What's your call?
I want to go bat first.
Any specific reason?
No reason. हमारी स्ट्रेटजी अच्छी है, पहले प्रेशर में डालने का वो लोग को, और हमारी स्ट्रेटजी के हिसाब से हमारे बॉलर भी अच्छे हैं, तो हम बैटिंग करना चाहेंगे.
तो अभी ऐसा ट्रेंड चल रहा है कि जो टीम चेस कर रही है वो जीत रही है, तो वो बात भी आपके जहन में होगी शायद?
नहीं, मैं मेरी स्ट्रेटजी के हिसाब से मतलब हमारी टीम करेगी.
तो 8 ओवर में अभी आपको क्या लगता है, क्या टारगेट अच्छा रहेगा रखेंगे तो?
90 के राउंड।
तो ये मैच बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट मैच है, जो टीम जीतेगी सीधा सेमीफाइनल खेलेगी, तो ये बात भी कहीं ना कहीं आपको पता है, तो जरूर ये आप बच्चों को बोल रहे होंगे।
हाँ डेफिनेटली, और मेरे मतलब जो टीम है सब ऑन द टो है और अच्छा एफर्ट किया कल हमने और आज भी अच्छा ही होगा।
गुड लक फॉर द गेम। एनी चेंजेस इन योर साइड?
हाँ 2 चेंजेस, मयूर एंड अश्विन इन, मीत एंड चिराग विल बी।
ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच। हर्ष, टॉस हार गए, बट क्या करते हैं आप अगर टॉस जीतते तो?
मेरा प्लान भी यही था कि हमारा बॉलिंग लाइनअप थोड़ा अच्छा है तो हम चेज ही करने का सोच रहे थे। एक्चुअली कल भी हमने चेज किया है, तो हमारा प्लानिंग यही था कि हम चेज करेंगे।
कल बहुत ही क्लोज मैच था जो आपने चेज किया, मतलब हर मोड़ पर मैच इधर उधर हो रहा था। तो जब एक ऐसा प्रेशर वाला मैच खेलते हैं और जीतते हैं तो अगले मैच पे असर पड़ता है उसका?
हाँ थोड़ा बहुत रहता है, बट हम उसके लिए तैयार हैं।
तो अभी क्या स्ट्रैटेजी रहेगी, आपको कितना टारगेट आप कंफर्टेबल होंगे चेज करने के लिए?
70 तक उनको रोक लेंगे, ट्राई करेंगे उनको पूरा रोकने का, और हम चेज कर सकते हैं।
और टीम में कोई परिवर्तन?
हाँ, सावन बियानी विल रिप्लेस रितुल बिंडे।
ओके, गुड लक फॉर द गेम। So we have with us the Gujarat team sponsor as well. In fact, Kutch team sponsor and Gujarat team sponsor as well. So, sir, what would you like to say? पहले आपको पूछता हूँ पहले, क्योंकि आपकी टीम मतलब टॉस नहीं जीत पाई अभी। उनका जो प्लान था, लेकिन वही हो गया कि उनको प्लान था कि चेज करना है, उनको वही मिल रहा है। तो क्या सोच रहे हैं आप, कैसा खेलेगी कच्छ की टीम?
कच्छ की टीम अच्छा खेलेगी और चेज करेगी। कल भी इन्होंने चेज किया था और अच्छा, भले मैच रोमांचक रहा लेकिन उन्होंने चेज कर दिया था, और आज भी उनको पूरा भरोसा है, आत्मविश्वास से भरपूर है टीम और चेज करेगी 100%।
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। क्या बोलना चाहेंगे आप?
मैं तो ये बोलना चाहूँगा कि मैंने हमारे कैप्टन ने 90 का टारगेट लिया है। मैंने उनको पहले ही 8 ओवर में 100 का टारगेट दिया है और वो टारगेट उनको पूरा करना है, उसी हिसाब से खेलना है। तो अगर 100 रन हो जाते हैं तो हमारी टीम को कोई हरा नहीं सकता।
दोनों स्पॉन्सर से एक और बात पूछना चाहूंगा। अभी पिछले मैच अभी चल रहा है मुंबई और विदेश विभाग का, उसमें दोनों के टीम स्पॉन्सर्स ने अपने प्लेयर्स के लिए कुछ प्राइजेस अनाउंस किए। 500 रुपए चौके के लिए, 1000 रुपए छक्के के लिए, 1000 रुपए विकेट के लिए। आपका वैसा कोई इरादा है अपने प्लेयर्स को बढ़ावा देने का?
हर छक्के के लिए मेरी तरफ से 1000 रुपया रहेगा और हर चौके के लिए मेरी तरफ से 500 रुपया रहेगा।
तो ये गुजरात का अनाउंसमेंट है। कच्छ का कोई अनाउंसमेंट रहेगा सर?
जो बॉलर हैट्रिक लेगा उसको 2000 रुपीज प्राइज दिया जाएगा और हर 6 पे 1000 रुपीज प्राइज मेरी तरफ से रहेगा।
तो कच्छ के बैट्समैन को कच्छ के स्पॉन्सर्स की तरफ से हर छक्के पे 1000 रुपए, और अगर हैट्रिक कोई बॉलर लेते हैं तो 2000 रुपए। गुजरात के स्पॉन्सर से गुजरात के बैट्समैन को हर चौके के 500 और हर छक्के के 1000। थैंक यू सो मच सर, इट वाज प्लेजर। अच्छा, हर चौके के 500 कच्छ की तरफ से भी। Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. So that's the news from the middle. The next match that is about to begin is, of course, between Gujarat and Kutch. Another winner takes all game, and whoever wins plays the semi-final. The news is Gujarat has won the toss, elected to bat.
A lot of prizes are there for Mumbai Maharashtra right over here. If they are winning the game, they're going to get 5,000 rupees. Getting call-ups to the Oman team before 50 runs, they will get 5,000 again. Every wicket will get 1,000 rupees for a Mumbai Maharashtra player, especially the bowler. Every catch will get 500 rupees, as well as the stumping will get 500 rupees from Satish Vitlani, the sponsor of Mumbai Maharashtra team. So lot of encouragement for the side for Mumbai Maharashtra right over here. The extra player for Oman, please come towards the dice for the team player accumulate. Extra player for Oman, please come towards the style. का 1000 So here comes sponsor of Oman team, Narendra Ganatra. The Oman winning this game will get 5,000 rupees, and if we hit the 6, we'll get 1,000, and a boundary will add a 500 on the board. The team sponsor Narendra Bhai Ganatra as well as Jitu Bhai Tanna. Lot of encouragement, as well as not only the team, Satish Bhai Vitlani, the team sponsor, the mentors of the team, Mumbai Maharashtra. Jai Sachdev, the opening bowler, will bowl to a left-handed batsman, Ajay Vitlani, Ajay Lalcheta. Smash it on the onside to start the game with the boundary. Ajay Lalcheta, the man, smashing Ajay Jai Sachdev on the onside for 4 runs. So 500 in his pocket and a very first ball. The loss of once again. Oh, the team by the lot of ball, and it might be a close call, but umpire not at all interested. Wrapped on the pad. If the wicket, if you get the wicket of Ajay Lalcheta with a special discount for the bowler, I'll get 2,500 rupees. So a little bit of pressure. Ajay Lalcheta should not give wicket. A loud appeal for Jai Sachdev for LBW, but umpire won't be interested. What a ball was that? What a ball was that? Yakal and Dilli or Ajay Lalcheta to go for a run. But Rajiv won't be interested. The ball having a little bit of swing by Jai Sachdev. The lot of a high voltage game. Both the team sponsor are encouraging the players by giving their bucks, 1,000 bucks, 500 bucks, anyhow for a wicket every now and then. This time in the air, and the celebration begins right over here for Mumbai, Maharashtra. Rajiv Tawla, the man, departs. Our Tucker took the catch very easily, being able to acclimate the pace of a ball. The celebration comes once again to the favor of Mumbai, Maharashtra, picking up some wickets. So once again, 1,000 in the pocket for Jai Sachdev. Rajiv, the man, departs to charge the ball, being able to accumulate the pace of a ball. Got a damaged bat, and the ball was much in the air. The rest of the work have been completed by the captain, our Tucker, very easily. Hemal Somaya will face to Jai Sachdev. Nicely filled. What a delivery was that, outside the off stump, straight to the glove of keeper. Oh, what a smart keeping ball. Snell Tucker, short keeping there, pressure on the batsman if you had a short keeping, and that confidence will be there definitely to stand beyond the stump with the pace bowler. So let's see what a pressurized game for Oman right over here. Mumbai, Maharashtra taking a wicket in the very first over. A full toss ball. So wide, nicely kept by the keeper, Snell Tucker. Sujay Tucker. What a ball was that? Ball was a little bit of swing in the air. Oh, nicely played. There is a field over there. In comes two. Will definitely. But finally, Siddharth Kotak, the fielder. Sorry, so Snell Vitnani is the fielder. So well, finally, end of the first over. Scorage on 7, the end of the first over, 7 for 1. Videsh Vibhag, Oman team right over here. 72 the target to win the match. Snehal Vitlani, a new bowler. Nicely geometrical field set for a right hand batsman. Sumaya on a strike will face to Snehal Vitlani, right hand bowler. The depth of the bowling I will talk about Mumbai, Maharashtra especially. On the onside, a long wide, reaches towards the boundary for 4. So 5 on the board. Oh, what a ball was that, didn't able to accumulate by the keeper, a little bit wide on the onside for 4 runs. So extras on the board, scorage on 11, 12. What the delivery was that? Might be a close if the keeper accumulate to throw the ball. So single on the board. Scorage on 13. Good comeback by Snehal Vitlani. The well set batsman Ajay Lalchitan on strike. The sponsor are waiting to give their box. With the boundaries, 6s as well as the wicket, catches, everything going around the claw. A high voltage game right over here. The spectator are definitely enjoying the moment. Nicely played, smartly on the onside. Snehal Vitlani, the fielder, stopped the ball easily for a single. Scorage on 13, 14. This time, smash it on the onside. There is a field over there. Mill in the by. In comes the throw straight to the glove. You saw the bowler, little bit of short and wide on the onside. Nicely played for a single. 72 is the target to win this match. The Videsh Vibhag Oman team. This time nicely played on the onside. Nicely stopped the ball. It's a leg by call from the umpire. Important rules going around for the claw for umpire. Each and ball, every ball, have to watch properly. Outside the off stamp, straight to the hand of a keeper with a quick delivery. Being able to manage the pace of a ball. Sensible bowling by Snehal Vitlani till now. Definitely captain will be happy. Again nicely played. There's a field over there. Jai Sach, they stop the ball. So end of the second over, score is on 17 for 1. Jai Sach, they continue. Jai Sach, they will bowl a second over of his part. 72 is the target to win the match. A sensible bowling as well as the batting for Videsh Vibhag. And a captain on a crease, that will definitely boost confidence of the team. Ajay Lal Cheta. Nicely played. Mushtaq Kat on the onside. A thick nick of a bat. The fielder Siddharth Kotak over there. The single on the board. Jai Sajde using his feet well, using the swing and a sim of the ball. Again nicely played on the offside. The single on the board. Jitu Baitanna, what you are thinking about? The boundaries are not coming as you started your sponsorship for a bucks for your side. What do you want to say about? Any comments? This time, straight to the glove of keeper. The white call from the umpire. So single on the board again. This time, in the air, the fielder under it, needed to make the catch, but finally stopped the ball to go back for a second. In comes the throw. But this time they have to satisfy the single. The ball was much in the air. The fielder tried bashed by the little bit far from the ball. Finally stopped the ball for a single. This time nicely played on the onside. Straight to the fielder, Awad Thakkar. Single on the board. Hemal Somaya on a strike. Right on the pad, the finger goes up, the celebration begins once again for Jai Sachdev, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Hemal Somaya on 90 pad. The ball was with a bit of cut and swing, didn't able to acclimate the middling the well, right on the pad, and the celebration begins. So one more blow for Videsh Vibhag, Oman team. So once again, $1,000 for Jai Sachdev. We have for team sponsor of Mumbai, Maharashtra, Satish Vitlani. What a delivery was that? Here comes a new batsman, Bhavya Thakkar, a left-handed batsman will face to
DJ Ashish
Jai Sachdev.
Mix.
What a depth of the bowling. We will talk about Mumbai, Maharashtra. There are a lot of spinners. They are having the pacers, especially Sehal Vitlani, Jai Sachdev, Siddharth Kotak, Nikunj Karia, Vishal Ruparil. They are those very much bowling attack they are having. And a good total too after winning a toss. 72 to win this match. Bhavya Thakkar on a strike. The fingers are crossed right over here. The spectators, those who are watching this match. Okay, all the way, the technique of the bat might be allowed appeal, but umpire not at all interested. What a delivery was that! After pitching the ball reached to outside the stump, Bhavya Thakkar didn't able to acclimate the bat and straight to the glove of a keeper. So finally, end of the third over. The score is on 22.
DJ Ashish Mix.
One more sponsor for Mumbai, Maharashtra by the sponsor Satish Vitlani. The back-to-back couple of wickets. A back-to-back couple of wickets will bring a 5,000 in the pocket and go for hat-trick. A $10,000 for Mumbai, Maharashtra bowler opportunity. So a lot of sponsor going around the clock. The favor for Mumbai, Maharashtra and his team. The team's mentors and sponsor Satish Vitlani. Full toss ball in the gap and forehand. Captain versus captain. Ajay Lacheta making no mistake. The full toss ball picking up the gap for forehand. The score is on 26 now. What a turn by the bowler as well as the captain Bhavya Thakkar. What a coincidence for the both the side. Captain versus captain are playing on the clock. Both celebration began for Mumbai, Maharashtra. The well-set batsman Ajay Lacheta. The big fish has been given pocket by a captain Bhavya Thakkar. The wicket for Bhavya Thakkar was much special. 2,500 bucks by Sehal Vitlani, the sponsor of Mumbai, Maharashtra.
A disappointment call for Ajay Lalcheta departs. You want to accumulate reverse sweep, being able to charge well. The ball touched the pad and the finger goes up for the umpire. The big fish has been pocket taken by Captain Ajay Thakkar. What a game, what a game. This is the game of our champions. Often is to play. You can see Mumbai, Maharashtra. They are well led about the champions once they got on your side. After winning a toss, elected for bat first, put a challenging target of 72 and a bit of pressure on a Videsh team right over here. A captain, the man, a good player, Ajay Lalcheta departs. So well, what a comeback from Mumbai, Maharashtra from a captain, Avadh Thakkar. Avadh Thakkar will face to a captain, Avadh Thakkar. What a ball was that? Nicely played on the offside for a single. Sensible bowling as well as the batting. Avadh Thakkar, Avadh Tanna. Here comes a strike. Bhavya Thakkar on a strike, a left-handed. Yes, off the mark right away there. Dhaval Tanna, 3.4 overs have been bowled. (27 for 3) the score. Goes for the big shot straight to the fielder at long off. Just a single. Final delivery of the fourth over coming up here. 28 for 3 the score. Bhavya Thakkar also gets off the mark. So two new men in the middle. Absolute pressure at this point in time. This happens after Ajay Lalcheta departs. And he's cleaned him up. Very well done by Avadh Thakkar there, inviting the batsman to come down the track. Goes for the big shot, misses and is castled. Avadh Thakkar gets richer by another 1,000 rupees. 4 overs have been bowled. It's 28 for 4 the score right now for Videsh Vibhag. Mr. Satish Vitlani providing another 1,000 rupees to Avadh. So he finishes his first over, 2 for 6 his figures. Jai Sachdev 2 overs, 2 for 12. So Jai Sachdev and Avadh Thakkar have both picked up 2,000 rupees each. And of course, Avadh, having picked up the wicket of Ajay Lalcheta, gets 2,500 rupees as well.
Nicely played. You're offside towards the mid off. Oh, mid on. Oh, mid off for a single. So long on. It's a mid off and it's mid off and long off. Deep cover and deep. Karan Chota, a new man in, will face to Siddharth Kotak. This time outside the off stump, loud appeal and a finger goes. The celebration began once again for Mumbai Maharashtra. Karan Chota, the technique of a bat and the rest of the work have been completed by the keeper. And finally the celebration come very easily now and there for every movement, every over they're getting wickets. So definitely with this team might be a little bit of on a back foot. Siddharth Kotak, a celebration start once again continuously.
So another wicket going down. Too far outside the off-stump on that occasion. Score moves on to 30 with that extra. Dhawal Thakkar, the new man in, Siddharth Kotak, picking up a wicket in his very first over. That's a good comeback, very good comeback delivery there by him. Again a play and a miss, looking to cut there, gets beaten. Very good bowling this by Siddharth. (31 for 5 in 4.4 overs). And another action replay there. Shot outside the off stump, looking to cut, play and a miss. 3 dot balls on the trot. And again looking to slap hard there, straight to the fielder at mid-off. That is another dot ball. Exceptional bowling. This just the 3 runs coming from the over. 5 overs have been bowled now. 31 for the loss of 5 wickets. 3 overs, 41 to win for Videsh Vibhag. Beg your pardon, score is 30 for the loss of 5 wickets. Bhavya Thakkar, the man on strike. Batting on a 2 of 3. Snehal Vitlani into the attack. 1 over, none for 9 his figures. Three overs, 42 to win. Slogging across the line on that occasion, pushing for 2 there, and he will get it as well. Good running between the wickets. Good aggressive running between the wickets there. 2 more runs for Videsh Vibhag, but that's not enough. They need more than 2 runs a ball.
Shabash.
Again looking to go for the slog over the head of mid-off there. Long off, cutting it the chase, but boundary added to the tally. They need more of those for sure. Score moves on to 36 with that. Down the leg side this time, looking to play it away. Doesn't quite get it right. It's going to be a dot ball. And we can see looks to clip it away, wrapped on the pads, but down the leg side for sure. That's another dot ball. It's heartening to see the mentor of Mumbai, Nitin Bhai Pandey, so charged up, so excited. Balls to go, I think a couple. 14 balls, 36 to win. He's all charged up. He's at the ropes, egging the team to go on. Nicely struck again, straight to the fielder at long on. That is the dot ball. So is the manager Vishal Bhai, shouting at the top of his voice from the stage. Maybe later tonight I'd like to ask Vishal Bhai that doesn't he get bored of winning? Short and wide, cut away brilliantly and put down. Boundary signal by the umpire there. So 6 overs bowled, 41 for the loss of 5 wickets. 31 needed in 2 overs to win this game.
DJ Ashish Mix.
Siddharth Kotak will continue this second spell right over here. 7th over in progress. Score reach on 41. .72 to win the match. What a delivery was that! Outside the off stump, Bhavya Thakkar want to charge the ball. Didn't able to accumulate with the bat. The swing of the bat was so hammering. Well, Siddharth Kotak. Nicely played on the onside. It's on field over there. Our Thakkar. So no run till now. So couple of dot ball once again for Mumbai Maharashtra. What a sensible bowling attack I will talk about. And a nicely geometrical field set for the each and every batsman by captain Awad Thakkar. According to a fielding, the bowler have to bowl, and that's the basic. This time charging the ball hard. There's a field over there, but finally clear the road for 6. That's a shot. What a shot was that with the bat. Bhavya Thakkar charging the ball hard, clearing the fence for 6. So 1,000 bucks for Bhavya Thakkar, behalf of Oman sponsor Jitu Bhai Tanna, Narendra Bhai Kanatra. This time, what a comeback from Siddharth Kotak. So couple of runs on the board by Bhavya Thakkar. The running between the wicket was much athletic. You saw the fielder is coming little bit slow. They come back for the second. So that's the spirit. The score which one? 49. A danger man, Bhavya Thakkar on a strike right to here with the form. This time, what accumulate perfect ball with a perfect line and length, allowing batsman very difficult to touch the ball. Straight to the glove of keeper Sujay Thakkar, doing a rush of the work very easily. Or the bouncer one, it's a no call from the umpire. Over pitching, overstep. It's a chance and a golden opportunity for Bhavya Thakkar. It's a free hit. What a ball was that, but to be very honest, a much bouncy delivery. Bhavya Thakkar, I have to go for with the helmet, definitely. Oh, what a delivery was that! Oh, the quicker one. So finally, end of the over. So score reach on 50 for Vitesh team right over here, especially for Oman. 1 over left. Ball left, 22 run require. So they are much in the game, but cannot go very easily. The danger man Bhavya Thakkar is still on the crease. 6 ball, 22 to win the match.
DJ Ashish Mix.
Here comes the new bowler, Nikunj Karia, a left-handed bowler. 6 ball, 22. A sensible bowling attack from Mumbai Maharashtra right over here till now. Our Thakkar, Jai Sajde, Siddharth Kotak, Snehal Vitlani. And a sensible bowling attack they are bowling till now. 6 ball left, 22. Do and that situation right over here for Videsh team. So nicely geometrical field set for a right-handed batsman. Nikunj Karia off the mark with the ball. A reverse sweep, been able to time well, step to the fielder for a single. So leg by call from the umpire. So 5 ball left, 21 run require. The well set batsman Bhavya Thakkar on a strike now. Five ball, 21 runs. The spectator, those who are watching this match, definitely having the finger crossed. Videsh team have to charge well now if you want to be in the game back again. Finally a lot of pressure. 5 ball 21 to win this match. Nikunj Karia. A nicely geometrical field setting for this guy, Bhavya Thakkar. 5 ball, 21 run require. Spectators having a finger crossed. Let's see what's said upside down. A high voltage game right over here. This time charging well and clearing the pad for 6. This is the what the Bhavya Thakkar game of talk about. And 1,000 in his pocket. Once again, Bhavya Thakkar. 4 balls, 15 run require. A celebration might be there for a woman team right over here. Jitu Bhai Tanna, Narendra Bhai Ganatra will be happy. But right so it's about a game. Nikunj Karia once again off the mark with the ball. This time, straight to the fielder, taking the catch very easily. The celebration began for Mumbai Maharashtra, the champion of our time. Nikunj Karia taking it for wicket. The danger man Bhavya Thakkar departs. Want to charge the ball hard, but well set by the captain of Thakkar. And Snehal Thakkar doing a rest of the work, taking the catch very easily. And 100 rupees for Snehal Thakkar also, as well as Nikunj Karia for bowling well. So 1,000 to both the person, Nikunj Karia as well as the Snehal Vitlani. The team sponsor, Satish Bhai Vitlani. Vishal Thakkar must be happy. Nitin Pandey definitely will be happy. He is always in the game, every ball and never then. So celebration continue for Mumbai Maharashtra right over here. 3 ball left. 15 require. Nicely played outside the off stump. Nicely stopped the ball by the fielder. Definitely finally stopped a couple of runs. What a fielding was that, athletic fielding. Jumping towards the ball. Stopped a couple of runs by Harmish Chumbiya. For Mumbai Maharashtra, giving 100% on the ball. So 2 ball left. This time down the track. And the timber spread by Snehal Thakkar. Rest of the work completing by Nikunj Karia. Once again got 1,000 rupees by Snehal Vittalani. And a wicket keeper also got a 500 rupees by Snehal Vittalani. Satish Vittalani, the team sponsor for Mumbai, Maharashtra. So thousands are coming very easily now and there for Mumbai, Maharashtra. What a celebration, what a bowling attack from Nikunj Karia. So champions are continuing like a champion now. Mumbai, Maharashtra, no more there to accumulate. Vijay Lalcheta, the new man in. Vijay Lalcheta. Double baki hai. There's a fielder under it, but won't be getting. Give 100%. Single on the board. So finally, end of the over, and the victory continues for Mumbai, Maharashtra. Once again, the Vignesh Vibhag have been departed. What a celebration for sponsor Satish Vittalani, and 5,000 rupees once again for the team. For Mumbai, Maharashtra by Satish Vittalani. Music please, music. Gujarati music play please. Music, where is the DJ? DJ, please roll the music.